Hey guys, MUR-LOCK 68 here. Hope everybody's well. Still trying to get through a bunch of these packages. So I've got another one here. I'm gonna cut it open and see if we can see what's in it. I don't remember what the hell I ordered, so let's have a look and see. Pretty sure it's not a cheeser because I don't think I have another one coming. So, oh yeah, I remember now. Okay, so this is a Corbin, beautiful Corbin that I ordered. Oh yeah, there we go. Take a look at that. Now that's Patina right off the bat, and this thing weighs a ton. Let me have a look at what it weighs here. It comes in at, well, 13.7 ounces, so not far away. That looks like a big shackle. I'd be surprised if it wasn't 10 millimeter. Yep, 10.2 millimeters. 54 millimeter padlock. Woo. Alright, let's see what we're dealing with here. So we got some interesting keys. Coal National is the one key, CO005 and CO001. That's interesting. One's Cleveland and the other one is Curtis in the East Lakes, Ohio maybe? Let's see if both these keys work. Oh, interesting. This core turns both ways. Opens both ways, okay. And both keys work. Alright. Let's see what we can do here. There's the keyway. And I don't know. I find something very strange on the side here. So it says Corbin cabinet lock, New Britain, Connecticut, USA, lubricate with graphite. So okay, I figured that would be the core retaining pin, but I don't know what the hell that is. And it looks like somebody tried to do something here, but I don't know if that's the shackle retainer here, maybe. But yeah, it works nicely. So let's see if we can maybe get into this. It's got an interesting keyway. And there we go. I think it's a 5-pinner. Okay. Don't feel anything there. Just gonna try it counterclockwise. Feels a little bit better. Let's see if we get anything here. 1. Okay, 2 is binding. 3, and we're in. Okay, so I went counterclockwise and was able to get into it. Man, this thing just beefy. What a beautiful lock. Look at the patina. I'm sure you guys can see that. Just an absolutely beautiful lock. Now I'm going to show you the 2 keys. I'll show you the first one. You guys can see that. I would want to guess that maybe that was the original key. There's the bitting. It's a 5-pinner. Or maybe this one could be the original key. Yeah, I don't know. I was kind of leaning towards the other one being the original key. This one looks the part. But anyway, it is a 5-pinner. Works beautifully. And this is going to be in the collection, guys. So that's the Corbin cabinet lock for you guys today. Hope you guys enjoyed that video. Hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you.